I've been wrestling in the silence where no one else can see. Every shadow tries to tell me who I'm not meant to be. But in the tension, in the breaking, you're still writing my name. When the darkness pulls me under, your grace pulls me from the flame. I hear your whisper through the noise. You're still my child, you still have a choice. There's a war on the inside, but you're winning my heart. Every fear, every failure falls apart. You are faithful through the fight. Jesus, you're my reason why. 'Cause you've already won the war on the inside. I've been holding to the promise that you're making all things new. Though the fire burns around me, I am standing here with you. You're the calm in every battle, the peace I can't define. When the enemy reminds me, you remind me you're mine. You speak your truth into my soul. This is not the end, I've made you whole. There's a war on the inside, but you're winning my heart. Every fear, every failure falls apart. You are faithful through the fight. Jesus, you're my reason why. 'Cause you've already won the war on the inside. You're my freedom, you're my song. In the breaking, you are strong. All my striving fades away when I call your name. You're my freedom, you're my song. In the battle, you belong. Every chain is left behind. You have overcome the night. There's a war on the inside, but you're winning my heart. Every fear, every failure falls apart. And now I'm standing in your